my channel Mahesh English Times. I hope you're liking my videos on English language, literature and research. I have done videos on how to choose a topic of English literature thesis if you're doing a PhD scholar and if you want to choose a topic related to English literature. There is a video on it. There is a video on how to write literature review. What is the difference between bibliography and references? So all these videos are already there. Now today I am doing this video which is basically focusing on classical literature. Now there are certain books which have been written in various languages and they have been translated into English. Now can a student do a PhD thesis on these translated works? So that I am going to focus on this video. Let's watch. So there are certain books which have been written. This thesis will be called as a thesis of purely in English literature. It is not going to be interdisciplinary if you're doing a thesis on works of translation. So there are many books which are translated from other languages, like Ramayana and Mahabharata, originally written in Sanskrit language. They have been translated into English. Parts like Mahabharata is a huge epic, so parts of Mahabharata have also been translated into various books, so thesis can be done on them. Then Kalidas Abhigyan Shakuntalam is also been translated. Ghalib, who used to write his shairi in Urdu, his works have been translated, and a student of a PhD scholar of English literature can actually do a research in on Ghalib's shairi as well. Now some famous books on which have not been worked upon by PhD scholars, and they can be also taken into consideration. So some famous books which have been translated are like Sri Aurobindo's Savitri. Now this has been translated in English and this is a story inspired from Mahabharata. Then there is Iravati Karve's Draupadi. This is written actually in Marathi and it is translated in English as Yuganta. The name of the book in English is Yuganta, the end of epic. Then there is Shudraka's Mrichkatika. This is basically written in Sanskrit and it has been translated in English by Ramachandra Kale, and a movie is also made. A movie called I think Utsav has also been made on this. Then there are some books of translation, other books like the Book of Assembly. Now the Book of Assembly is inspired by Mahabharata. It is considered, the Draupadi's scene where her sari was being removed. So that particular section is only covered in one book which is called as Book of Assembly, and it has been translated by J.A.B. Van Wittenen. Then there is a book of Adigals, who was a Jain monk, and he has written Sillapattikaram, and Sillapattikaram is written in Tamil and it has been translated in English as The Tale of an Anklet by R. Parthasati. So all these books written in other languages have been translated into English, on which PhD thesis can be done. So I think these books are these examples are important in the sense that you can do your PhD thesis, you can choose a topic for your PhD from these books of translation of classical literature. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.